2026 is around the corner and you need to listen to this. If you care about staying ahead, planning for what's coming, and positioning for the next wave of opportunities, this video is for you. 2025, it brought about a lot of changes, from AI to deep tech and debates of whether AI is going to replace people or not. But that's not the essence of this video. I was doing a study and research on the startups niche that would rise in 2026, and this is what I found. Here are the list of 5 startup niche that would rise in 2026. Number 1, generative AI. In 2026, GenAI will move from just being a tool to becoming a collaborator. Startups will build products and services powered by LLMs, large language models, creating a major boom in the AI startup ecosystem. Number 2, climate tech. Right now, companies are increasingly turning to AI to support environmental sustainability as the push for net zero intensifies. Climate tech aligns with UN goals and opens up practical, innovative ways to mitigate climate change. Number 3, health tech. The growth of IoT and machine learning, the healthcare space will experience what I would like to call rapid transformation. Expect smarter patient care, expect personalization, more personalization, and greater investor interest. Number 4, creator economy. The creator economy is one that is now at the center of business communication. And with the rise of AI tools, businesses will need creators who can bring authenticity, expertise, and uniqueness to communicate their brand value. Number 5, FinTech. The next wave of FinTech startups won't just refine what exists, but completely change the status quo. They will provide faster, reliable, and more accessible financial services to people. So these are the 5 startup niches that would rise in 2026. Thanks for coming to my tech talk. See you in the next video.